dashboard, stream manager, thing, pop out chat. Instead went down the barrel of a 45. Okay. Get this. Boom. Okay. Perfect. Good. What is it? No idea. No idea. Okay. Whoa. Hello. 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 Whoa. So muffled here. Strange. Strange noises from the same mic. Wonder what makes a good microphone. What makes for a good microphone? No, I don't want to buy one. DIY microphones. Okay. Going in. This is not what I planned, but sound pressure, effective input noise, signal to noise. Effective bandwidth, width. The range of the range of frequencies over which the microphone's output meets the other requirements. I can hear myself breathe. Don't like it. See that? Weird. Should probably close that. Don't want any major leaks. Maximum distortion. Maybe I'd like to see what it would look like. Okay, this is a lot of diagrams. Damn, it's quite detailed. I did ask for it, so me. Did he actually build a microphone? No. Okay. Let's have a look. I think he did. Ooh. Looks like we're getting somewhere. Let's look at a basic one. Basic DIY. Acoustic device. Microphone, signal conditioner. Electrical interface, physical interface. Interesting. Guessing that's what where my vibrating membrane would sit. Interesting. I want to have a look at this. I think it's a lot more detailed than I thought it would be, but it's pretty good. I didn't know there was a DIY microphone. Okay, I think I'm good. That's enough about microphones. Okay, so got a few debuggers for this one for the ESP, and got one for the Raspberry Pi. I think it's too bright. It's fine. I think the ESP one is more to flash the device. I can hear it sometimes. Okay, yeah, it's more to flash the device, so I'll leave it on the side for now, but I do want to get the debugger for the Raspberry Pi working. This could save me a lot of time. Well, depending on how much time it takes to get set up. As always, I'm thinking it should be okay. Shouldn't be that hard. I have been wrong about that before. Okay. Let me before I connect shit. I'm gonna have a look at Raspberry Pi. What's it called? Yeah. Debugger. Debug probe. There we go. I got a white cable. Oh, the red one looks much better. Anyway. Okay. USB to ARM. Serial wire debug port. USB to UART bridge. There are two of these on the device. My guess is you can connect more than one at a time. That'd be that'd be that'd be my guess. Come on. Stop fucking with the mic. Just let it be. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Got some cables. Okay. Okay, so the orange one is TX, RX, and ground. Okay. Perfect. I'm guessing because excuse me. Oh, maybe that is. And the one of the raspberries, I've got this sort of connection. One I'm using doesn't have it, so I'll probably use this one. Now the question is, what is the question? Okay, I don't know. What did the I don't think I have a question. Just checking if they have connected the debug pins to something else. One, two, three. Let's go to an SD card slot. Okay, now I think I'm getting sidetracked. Back on the main track. Okay. Use the second cable. Yeah. 3-pin. That one, yeah. Well, the cable would 3-pin JST connectors. Intended to be used with the standard, which newer. Yeah, exactly. Oh, okay, I can find this board. I think it's Citron Raspberry Pi Pico maker board. Yes, this one. Pico maker. Maybe, yeah, it's this one. Yeah. It's got these 3. No, it's a bit different. Because on mine, the Pico is soldered onto the board. Maybe it's this one. Yeah. So it's got these debug pins here. It's not connected to, maybe it is. Maybe and such. No. They have a data sheet. Starting to like data sheets. Let's go. Yeah, debugging port breakout. That's what I thought that was for. But there was a sneeze coming. Never came. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Breakout of the Raspberry Pi debugging port. But there's no labels for TX, RX. Yeah. Or some clock shit. Oh, maybe. It's a good point. Okay. Cause yeah, this cable's all bundled together. So I don't know which one goes where. Such a dilemma. Okay. I know. Do I have... What is SWDIO? I think this one is something clock. Maybe Malaysia. Do I connect Pico debug module to the Pico? Mainly where to the RX, TX, and yeah, RX, RX and TX get connected on the Pico, which has the pins SW clock, SW IO. Is it a great question? It's quite the obvious question. GPT. Okay. Okay, so okay, I mean that's fine. Okay, that's fine. I just connected to one of the many TX pins, RX pins, and both. Okay. Yeah. Power for more activity LEDs. Activated DAP. Oh, that's the... What's that? It's the debugging protocol, something like that. Because when I was trying to set up debugging on the NeoVim, you can, but yeah, it was too much work, so I just like VS Code. I did notice DAP. TX RX. Okay, interesting. DAP connected. DAP target signal. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look at Pico pin diagram. Yeah. So this one's already used by the display. Does it have to be 0? Pico difference between UART 1 and UART 0. What is the difference? Boom, boom, boom. Debug probe. Maybe here. H. Pico H. Oh, there's another UART 0 here. Could use this one. Actually, I want to try UART 1. Excuse me. I want to see, does it work? Ooh, they have a data sheet. Let's go. Oh yeah, I have seen this before. Maybe they have, Jesus, 600 pages. What is going on here? Oh, what's the legal disclaimer? Implied warranties, including blah blah blah, fitness for blah 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 blah. Okay. They're not liable. Smart. The chip. Vent signals. That looks interesting. Atomic register access. Nice. Is there anything? Oh, here. No, something else. Where is the first mention? Manchester serial TX and RX. Okay, here. That's the one. Let's go. Two identical instances of UART peripheral based on ARM prime cell UART. Each instance supports the following features: separate 32x8 TX and 32x12 RX FIFOs. As in, these are the registers. Programmable baud rate generator clocked by CLK underscore that petty. Standard synchronous communication bits. Yeah, line break detection. Programmable serial interface. Okay, so far, okay. Can be connected to a number of GPIO pins as defined in the GPIO muxing table. With UART instance 0 and 1 include the following. Yeah. RTS, CTS, I mean, so far, don't think there is a difference. You are 0. Sorry, 0. Actually, I want to go back. Includes a yeah, I read about that. Read about that. Offers similar functionality to the industry standard device. Supports a maximum baud rate of that. Pretty good, pretty high, I'm guessing. Oh, it goes down all the way to 7.8. Pretty slow. Yeah. I mean, so far there seems to be no difference. I think it was fucking ChatGPT just fucking with my head. Because it was like, oh, you can't use UART 0 because it's reserved for some blah blah blah. What a load of shit. Let me ask it again, see what it says. On the Raspberry Pi Pico, is there a difference between UART 0 and UART 1? Yeah, motherfucker. There is no difference. Yeah, it's just the pins that they're mapped to. Okay. What the fuck is this? No idea. Don't need it. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so let me connect this. So it's yellow, orange, and black. Okay. Think I want to use this one. So 4, 5, and ground. 4 is TX, so it's gonna be the yellow one. There. Need to. It's a bit dark. 4. And then okay. Yeah, that's the RX. Yes. Then round. Okay. Easy enough. Now, should I just plug it in? UART serial, and that's the SWD. We can try that as well because I've got. Oh, that's good to know. Does it matter? Oh, yes, it does. Because one of them is UART. Connected it to. Oh, I think I've accidentally connected it to the right one. Okay, that's good. It's good to know. I've got good instincts. Okay. Connecting up a debug probe. Okay, just put that to the side. What's next? Open OCD. I think I already have this. Maybe I can check. Which open OCD? Okay, not really. Boom. Okay. Copy. Let's get that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, install GDB. I think I have GDB installed. Which GDB? Yeah. 12.1. Oh, I need this one. Okay. Let's go. Oops, sorry. Okay. Done. The serial. Oh, that's what SWD stands for. Serial wire debug. This is the serial wire debug IO, and this is the serial wire clock. Okay. Debugging with SWD. Can I have a look at it after? Is that a UART one? Minicom. What is Minicom? Do I have to use UART 0? The default one? Okay. What I can do is move the display over. What is it, sausage? Let's my cat. Oh fuck. Okay, I've moved it over to the default one. I gotta make small changes to the display. Where's... oh, it's DSP. SDA. Excuse me. So this one's going to be... where did I move it to? Fuck, I'm gonna check. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. SDA is 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And now the default one is connected. Okay. Oh, think I missed it already. Excuse me. Is that a difference? Uploading new programs to your Pico. Oh, this is cool. I don't need to unplug it anymore. Yes. That is a W on its own. Hang on. Not doing DSP. So I wanna update the info. Yeah, that's it. Debug probe. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Will it also do it with the UART? Serial connections. Yeah. Connected to the UART pins of your... yeah, connected. TX is 1. Round is 3. Yep. Yellow, orange, and black. Yeah. Is that on other platforms? Differently. Example on Mac OS comes up there. Okay. I need Minicom as well. Why not? Yeah. Okay. What happens if I run this? Oh, something happened. The device is now connected. It's connected. Traffic over Raspberry Pi's UART will be relayed to your computer by the debug probe. Raspberry Pi, this will show up as here. On other platforms will show up differently. Open the serial port. Ah, fuck, this is on the Raspberry Pi itself. I don't know. I think this one seems a lot better. If where's this? I move this connection over here. Does it specify which one is? Let's have a look at this one. Oh, mute. Don't like that music. Is that it? That wasn't very useful. Yeah, I was thinking if I just connect this here, then use that. Because I've got, where is it? No, it's gone. Yeah, because these are soldered on. Hang on. Hang on, I'll be right back. Yeah, okay. Where was I? Yeah, so reading through how they both work. I do like the, what's it called? The software wire debug, serial wire debug. Better. Mm. Oh, maybe I've got a, hang on. Is that an idea? Can't find the other cable. Okay. It's a bit of a mess, my cable situation. Yeah, it's just 3 wires. I don't see why. Got a bunch of shit here. No, but I had a cable for it, but turns out no. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. I got a bit sidetracked. Okay. Okay. Well, so I think what I'm gonna do is just gonna connect it to the serial. Just take a guess. Cause thing it seems. Oops. Damn. I don't know how the mic catches that. I don't know where it went. It's like a clusterfuck of a stream. I see it. Okay. What am I doing? Yeah, okay. So, oops. Fuck, it's loud. Shit. It's just 3 wires, so I don't see. Why it shouldn't work. Okay. So I've connected it to the other side. I just gotta figure out which wire. Which one's the ground? Which one's the clock? Hey, hang on. Jeez, I'm very bad with names. Is it Herutan? Herutan? Hey, Herutan. Yeah. Hal. Okay. Oh, it's Hal. Okay, sorry. Can I just call you Hal? It's easier. Yeah. Hey, Hal. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to connect this debug probe to this board here. Yeah, the challenge is, I don't know if you can see it, I have it's like these 3 pins. If I can show you the diagram, it's a bit different compared to, yeah, so compared to a regular one. So what I'm trying to do is use these 3 wires to connect it here, because I don't want to use the UART. Seems like the serial debugging is a bit better. So yeah, so I'm just trying to try and figure out which one of these cables is what. And because I have one of these, the gray wires, but the connection's a bit different. So I have the pins here, like these 3 are the clock, no, the IO, ground, and clock. So I just got to figure out on the probe which one is IO, ground, and clock. Shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, and they are different. And the big board is, yeah, it is the Pico. It's just more convenient because it's, it's soldered on. I do have a breadboard. I'm thinking I could save myself some trouble and just use the breadboard. I'll try it for like 5 minutes, and if I can't figure it out, I'll use the breadboard. So debug probe Raspberry Pi pins, maybe. Oh, they have a data sheet. Maybe I can give you a bit of a background of what I've done so far, so that you don't get confused. So I've started this whole embedded thing maybe a month ago. Just out of curiosity, because I wanted to try something new. Yeah, so since then I've managed to connect a Wi-Fi device, the ESP01S, and I wrote a display driver. So yeah, so I just want to set up the debug probe, so that I think it might make my things a bit more easier. If you look on top of the on top of it with the USB port up and the 3 debug pins down, then it should be clock, ground, IO. Okay, so you mean with this way. So the orange one should be clock, black is ground, and the yellow one is IO. Oh, okay, on the big one. Yeah, I think on the big one, I have labels for it. I don't know if you can see it. It's tiny, but it's got labels. Just gotta figure out on this side, because it only has labels for the UART. Well, if I were to guess, yeah, exactly. If I were to guess, I would say it's clock, ground, and IO. I mean, what's the worst that's gonna happen? Yeah, so let me try that. I think the middle one, definitely ground. So I just gotta figure out the other two. But I'm guessing there should be something here. Too big. Yeah. What does red stand for? Oh, is that it? Oh, thought there'd be more. JST 2.1 header. Okay, I'm just gonna take a guess. See what happens. What I'll do is I'll map it straight down. Okay. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Okay. There's one red light. I don't know what that means. But I did read about it here. Power. Okay. What's that again, Hal? Do you have a small indicator where pin 1 is on the plug that goes into the debug probe? Pin 1 is on the plug. Not sure what you mean. It's usually a small triangle on the plastic. Don't see any. Oh, hang on. Just look here. I think there's a big one. This is, oh no, this is the Raspberry Pi. This is the probe. This is just dimensions. Yeah. Don't see a triangle. On the plug that you plug in there. You mean this plug? Bottom right. Oh, on this one you mean? Okay, yeah, I can check. No, no triangles on it. There's some markings on the cable itself. Let me data sheet. Yeah, I think it's, oh no, it's a product brief. Oh, thanks for that. Okay, there we go. So it's clock, ground, and then IO. Okay, yeah. I think my guess was correct. So now close that. Okay. So I guess I don't know where you found this. Been looking at the wrong stuff. Oh, okay, I've been looking at product brief. Clock, ground, and yeah. Okay. So now I should be able to have installed GDB, got open OCD. That is my understanding. Yeah. Now you need to set up open OCD, build your program with debug, and then you can step through the execution. Yeah. I think that is my understanding. There is one challenge. Where does it build? I'm using microzig. It only builds UF2. If I understand correctly, I need a ELF file. Serial via debugging. Okay, let's look at this. It's 2-pin interface. Alternatively, blah blah blah. Loading new programs. Pico debug probe will let you load binaries via the SWD port and open OCD. You will not need to unplug and then push and hold boot select. Okay, yeah, that is already really good. Yeah, I think I'd say how like that is already such such a W, because it's been like a pain in the ass to like do the whole boot select thing. Flashing the chip, yeah. Using is entirely hands off. I like that. Okay, so once you have built a binary, sudo open OCD, blah blah blah. Target .config. Interesting. Which one is the binary between the two? Okay. Plot the binary, the ELF version. So if I go back, okay, there's only UF2, but I think they do specify. Yeah. Is it? Okay, yeah. Let me check. Say that again. Last line. Okay, yeah. I just saw it too. So if I go here and then .elf, format, sorry. Okay. So firmware, yeah. Expect noise it. No, fuck. It's not a string. Okay. If I go, I'm already there. Okay. Pico DNS.elf. Okay. I don't know what these two things are. Just run it. See what happens. Yeah, that's what I thought. What's the CFG file? I'm guessing that's where I need to pass. Okay, I think I get it. I do. They never mentioned the config. It says -f. When you use the debug probe to upload a binary, the ELF version of the file is used, not the UF2. think you need to take care of these configs. Yeah, but I'm not sure what this file is. Is this my Thanks, Hal. Should just look these things up. Final Raspberry settings. For in-system programming and on-chip debugging. Probe interface. Target device core configuration. Following command creates such a config. Okay, you write this. This is the config. In the configuration file above, we can see the GPIO header pinout. Is this the same? Okay, yeah. Yeah, the question is, how do you get these configs? I would have thought, like, I wouldn't need this config. Who's Charlie? Let's ask Charlie. I don't think I know. Oh, ChatGPT. Okay, yeah, I can. Charlie. It's funny. Okay, let's just take this command. Let's start there. Is the rp2040.cfg file. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's usually included TCL target. Okay. Which open, is it OCD? Yeah. And then, okay. So if I go ls user bin open OCD, is that it? Is that anything else? Oh, okay. Gotta go. No. It's not a directory. So TCL. Weird. There's no TCL. Open OCD. Should just check here. 2040. Okay, they do support it. Where do I find this config? Just read the documentation. I don't know what this is. On chip debugger. Mm, mm, mm. There, open C. Where, say that again. Where did you install OpenOCD? I think it is just OpenOCD. It's just user bin there. I don't know if you can see it. I just used apt. Flash commands 2040. No. Set a config. Yeah. It's Pop OS, but yeah, I think kind of the same. That's just the binary. Okay, sorry. Where did you install OpenCD? I have no idea. I think I used, yeah, I think I used the command here. So wherever apt packages are installed. Okay, so dpackage -l. Okay. Dpackage -l open OCD. Damn, there's a lot of it. Oh yeah, I do see the target. It's user share scripts. Maybe I can just rep 2040. Am I doing it wrong? -f -i. Oh, I think xargs. Can never remember. Oh, I know. Can just do 2040. See the STM. Something for Samsung. Interesting. PC. Oh, it should be on the very top. Damn, there's a lot of it. Target. Okay. Hang on. Share open OCD scripts. Target 2040. Maybe it's not in scripts. Hang on. So that is these 3 folders should be under interfaces. What's inside? Open that one. Okay. It's inside contrib. Okay. So I think it's under, it's in scripts. CD scripts ls. Oh yeah, okay. CD interface. Okay, there we go. Do I see? See Raspberry Pi native. Ulink. Hang on, what is the config file that I'm looking for? RP 2040. Don't think it's here. No, I think that's the config we're looking for, right? Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. Yeah, it is the target. Oh, okay, now I understand. So this is the interface. Oh, okay. Oh, good point. Yeah. So do I have, what's it called again? CMSys. Oh yeah, okay. And then if I go back, there should be target. And there should be RP20. Yeah. No? Should be here. A, B, C, element of PQ, R. Here. Don't think I see it. What's the target called again? It's RP 2040. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not here. If I go, oops, P2040. Yeah. Maybe I can get it. Target. Add CPU targets. There is, okay. OpenOCD RP 2040. So I just copied the config file. Oh, I gotta build it. Okay, before I do it, I'm just gonna check this documentation. After adding a tab for the CPU, the commands can use it. Set target name chip name.cpu, target create. Damn, you're pretty fast, Hal. How are you finding all of this? Target RP2040 up here. So is this the config? uh, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. 25 years, that's a long time. I think I'm at 5, maybe 4 to 5, not sure, somewhere there. Okay, it's one of the config. Okay, well, we have options now. The one that you sent before, maybe they have a config in here. Oh, there's like a lot of versions to it. I guess would make sense. Okay, I think I'm just gonna try this one. Yes, copy this, and I'm guessing. Let me open one of the configs. Is there something? It's strange that it's not here. I would have assumed interface target test tools. What's in chip? Okay, let's go target. I'll make a new target. rp2040.config. Ooh, okay, hang on. Need permissions. rp2040.config. I missed it. Good question. We just yeah, paste it. That, and then open OCD version. Yeah, 0.11. Is there a newer version? Oh, okay. Open OCD GitHub. What version? Oh, they're on 12. So maybe I just update. Yeah. Oh, this is the one that you sent before. Check releases. $20.40. Yeah, they do have it. What about version before that? 12.11. Okay, it doesn't exist in the previous version. Yeah, I can just get this one. That sounds better. Okay. Go to downloads. Oh, but I gotta remove the existing one. Is this sudo apt remove open OCD? Okay. Downloads. Okay. Oh, I should probably not leak my server logs. Just probably remove that so I don't leak it. Okay, so okay, I think it's Office is GZ. Not play, sorry. I always forget the tar command. So what I do is I check. Yeah. I always check the go command because they have the command here. Okay, it's dash XCF. Okay. Tar. I don't need to copy it. XCF open OCD. Where is it? Oh, it just, okay. Maybe I need it. Dash C open OCD. What haven't? R dash C slash open OCD. Nothing is XCF. What do you mean? Have I downloaded the wrong version? Oh, I didn't. Is that important? Min G. What is that? GW32. Oh, it's Windows. I feel so stupid. Okay. So I have the, yeah, I would say so too. Just a little bit, you know, just missed it by a bit. Okay. So do they have installation instructions? Or do I have to like build it myself? Don't really want to do that. Okay. Check. README. Maybe. OpenOCD does that. Quick start. Okay, that is a quick start. Okay. It doesn't say how to install it. Is it supported? Okay, the installation and build process should be somewhere here. Installing OpenOCD. If you would rather be working with OCD rather than on it, your operating system or JTAG interface. Supplier may provide binaries for you. Yeah, but the apt repository is a bit behind. Building. Okay, okay, let's try and build it. I guess we're doing it. Building OpenOCD. The install file contains generic instructions for configure. Okay. Let me get rid of this Windows stuff actually. Whoa. Star. What is? Alright, never mind. I'll delete it later. So if I go back, yeah, gotta installing building. So gotta clone this. Is that a way just to get this tag? Yeah. Thing tags. There we go. Is git clone tag. Where is? Yeah. Okay. Git clone branch and then tag. Git clone was that, and then dash or dash b v. What's the tag? v 0.12.0 12.0. That looks a bit suspicious. Okay, no, it did work. And the detached head state. Perfect. Open OCD. Oh yeah. You learned something new. Don't feel that stupid anymore. Okay. Install. They said there was an install file. Okay. By the way, how do I say your name? How? Am I missing something? Like, oh, it's just Hal. Okay, I can ignore the rest. Okay. Okay. Yeah, still just Hal. Fair point. Okay, installing OpenOCD building. I think I have GCC. We just get hurt trying to say the complete thing, and hell is much shorter. I mean, or maybe, or you'll get hurt. I don't think I'll be hurt, but okay, yeah, I think it's fair enough. Plus, hell is easier. I tried to read the whole thing, but oh, you twist your That's a good one. I've never heard that before. Okay, I mean, now I'm curious, but okay, I'll leave it alone. Building OpenOCD. I got GCC. I think I've got Clang as well. You'll also need make, libtool. I think I've got all of these. Package conf. Package conf version. Ooh, I think I might need that one. Oh, you mean just install? Then it's make. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, I'll just run. Yeah, oh, I just saw it. Bootstrap. Okay, you have to do the bootstrap. /bootstrap. Libtool is required. There we go. Libtool. Hopefully I don't fuck. Do I need to like build it? This is gonna be like, I'm like on side mission 4 at this point. Maybe there's an apt repository for it. Okay, this is yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Like sudo apt-get libtool. I missed the password again. Is that how? Let's try sudo apt-get install libtool. Did I miss? Oh yeah, okay, I did miss. Install tool. Hey, that worked. How did you know? What the fuck did it install? Libtool. Which libtool? I think it's messing with me, right? What am I missing? There doesn't need to be. So you're saying if I just run bootstrap, it's like magic. How does it know where libtool is installed? I had no idea. I think this is the first time I've tried install. No, can't be. Maybe. Just gonna follow what they say. Yeah. Configure. Seems like it's working. Something's happening. Did it? Should I specify? Can also just install required binaries. Okay. You mean apt install? I don't see the RP 2040. Should I? Okay, I think this is not part of it. And there was one more step. Make. How many CPUs? It's an i5, so I'm guessing 8. I knew there was a way you could check it. Check number of CPU. Ah, okay. Is it gonna be too long? Where did it go? I think no, it's not finished. Still going. It's probably halfway now, so we'll let it cook. Oh yeah, I see some targets. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I just switched the window in Tmux. Before you installed, remove the apt OCD. I think I did which open CD. Yeah. But just to be sure, remove sudo apt remove open OCD. And do sudo apt auto remove. There we go. Just to be sure. So I'm guessing where's it gone? Here. Sudo make install. Okay, here we go. That was quick. Okay. Now if I go local in, oh, sorry, it was share. Open OCD. Go scripts. Oh, where's the interface? Okay. That looks a bit suspicious. Cd user local share. Open OCD. Okay, here. Let's check the interface. What's the one that we needed? This one. Where did it go? Yeah. CMSys. Okay, still got that. And if you go target RP, yeah, okay. Okay, it goes to /user local. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I think now I can exit this. Where am I? Okay, yeah. So I'll copy this for now and I'll update the, so it's /user local share. Sorry, open OCD. Yeah, I know, right? But to be fair, since I've been doing embedded stuff, it's all detours anyways. Because I guess when you don't know anything, everything's a detour. Which is fine. I think I don't mind it really. And then same here. Local OCD /share/ I think I missed it here too. Okay, hang on, let me check. It's user local share open. Okay, yeah. You're correct. Oh no, I got it. Let's copy this. User local share. Then I don't need this. Same here. Okay, here we go. Okay. What's that? Can't find. Did I miss it? User local share open OCD scripts. Okay, yeah, I missed it. Open OCD /scripts. Okay. D scripts. Okay, nice. So now I can specify. Why is this in quotes? Let me check. Less firmware. Okay, take out firmware. Okay. So now -c is a bit weird. So this should be Pico DNS. Is this it? Okay, at least something happened. On-chip debugger. What is the current directory? It's the project directory. Really? Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, yes, yes. I didn't see that. If I go to zig out firmware, and then now, yes. Let me just clear the display. Now if I run it, yeah, that's fun. Did it work? Not sure. Supported. So, but I don't think it restarted. Hmm. Now I have a feeling that my connection's not right. Because it didn't restart the Raspberry Pi. I think I'll try it on the breadboard. Because I just want like a sanity check. Because it's got the traditional, what's it called? The pin? The JWT. Is that how? Maybe you are supposed to copy into your project directory and change the connection settings. Yeah, let's try that. So I go CP, where was it? Yeah, user local share OCD scripts interface CM sys to here, and then local share scripts target RP 2040.config to here. Okay, let me have a look at, do I need to change? I mean, there's one line there. Let me try the target. Yeah. Source. Chip name. That. Not sure what I can configure here. Would assume the defaults work. Hang on, there was something else in the documentation. The last comment. I mean this one. Select core 0. Flash probe runs an algorithm on the target CPU. The flash is on the interface. Optionally specify the serial number of CMSIS DAP USB device. CMSIS DAP USB device. Why do I even... What is that? CMSIS DAP USB. What is CMSIS? Yeah, I should start there. Firmware implementation, standardized access to ARM core site debug access protocol. Yeah. I'm not sure. Maybe it's supposed to work out of the box. But that would happen if you have two devices. How does it know which USB to use? Yeah. It's a good question. I had to do something because I think initially I couldn't get the Pico to go into the boot select mode, and it turned out I just needed to restart the computer. But during that process, there was a way to find out if the Pico is connected to the USB. But to be honest, I'm not exactly sure. Just as a sanity check, I think I'll try it on the breadboard too. Yeah, ls USB. Yeah, I think probably how it knows that it shows CMSIS depth. And yeah, and where's the Raspberry Pi? Interesting. Okay, because it's not in boot select mode. Excuse me. Okay. The target API should not be there. I think it gets all the information from the debug probe. I think so, because it only shows up here if it's in debug mode. Okay. Well, My understanding is that it should be connected via USB to the computer. Yeah, I do have it plugged in. Oh, it should not be connected to USB via the computer. Oh. But then how would it get power? Maybe let me try disconnecting it. What happens? Hang on. Let me check here. I mean, I'm guessing that's connected to the computer. Yeah. But I think the problem is, well, there could be two problems. I'm guessing these 3 pins are not connected correctly. Where's the data sheet? The first one is the clock. I think the challenge is I don't know how it's ordered here. Pin out. So it's clock, ground, and bidirectional data. Hang on. Here, RX is the yellow one. I think I've connected it the other way around. Was that how? So in the configuration, debug probe acts as a bridge between your computer and the target device, facilitating debugging and programming through OpenOCD. GitHub, however, if your target device requires separate power or USB connectivity, you may need to connect it directly to your computer via USB as well. You know, I just noticed something is in my connection. I think I've connected it the wrong way around. Because if the first pin is RX and it's also the clock, I think oh yeah, I do have a power bank. Let me just try and swap the connections, see if that does anything. I think that's a good idea. I'll bring the power bank and then fix the connection. It would also mean, oh, sorry. It would also mean fewer cables. Okay. Okay. Back connect. Okay, and I think I see why I swapped it, because the cable was twisted. So I read it in the wrong direction. Come on. Okay. Then that should be clock. Okay, so if I connect, sorry, the debugger to the computer, and I use power bank. Sorry, it's a bit loud. Okay. Okay, turns on. Okay. Now, if I try the command again, yeah, I got it wrong. Yeah. Okay. So I'm guessing it was connected right the first time. What is step 0? Get this table. Cable. Table. Oops. Okay. Okay. So I'm guessing I was right the first time. So if this doesn't work, I'll use the breadboard. Okay, I think I'll use the breadboard. But I need to change a couple of things. Okay. Might take a minute. Gotta move the display. It's a lot more messy working with the breadboard. Okay. That is connected. Something regarding the interface. Okay. That means I don't need to switch to the breadboard. Okay. Let's give it a shot. You can set the serial number of the debug probe you want to use. Oh, okay. You're going to do something similar too? Yeah? Yeah. Let's try it. USB. Oh, I didn't connect it. Is it on? Yeah. So is this the ID? It's 114. Oh no, this is the ID. So if I go VI, oh, it's on 001. How did you figure that out? I thought this was the ID. Okay. 001 114. ls USB -s 4-v. iSerial. Okay. Yeah, it is quite long. Oh, it's here. Is that it? So if I go AI slash where's the CMSys. Oh, for fuck's sakes. That's my cat. For the second line. And adapter serial is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really? What about the serial that okay, I'm guessing. Fuck's sake. Okay, I think that's it. So maybe I should just copy the to firmware. Looks good to me. Okay. Firmware. Okay. So I do, where is that command? Yeah, this one. CM step. I think the other one is the same. Okay. Does nothing. Okay. Yeah. Config -f. Right. So what is actually happening? Stability supported. Firmware version 2. Interface ready. Processor detected. 4 breakpoints, 2 watch points. Oh, hang on. There was one more thing you had to do after. If I go back. Uploading new programs. Debugging with the SWD. Oh, okay. To allow debugging, you must build your binaries as debug rather than the lease build type. Yeah, I think that's what I've done. But somehow the program doesn't start. Oh, maybe it is starting. It's probably because I changed the display. I think I don't need to because it's using the same one. And if I run it again. I don't think it's working. The reason I think that is doesn't seem to restart the board. Oh fuck, I know. Because I forgot to what's it called? I forgot to build again. I think it's out where? Oh yeah. Did it work? It did. Let's go. Okay, that worked. Let's go. That is good. Fuck, it only took 2 hours, but it's working. So it restarted the program. I want to try actually one more thing is, can I print stuff back from the Pico? Yeah. So to open a second terminal window, okay. That will work. I go sig out somewhere. Isn't it supposed to stay open? Maybe it is. Let me try. GDB. Target. Okay. Is that correct? Did I do something wrong? Connection timed out. How do I check which port it's running on? On 3333. Yeah, because it's not running. Let me -F. How is it different from the other one? Oh, okay. So this is to write the binary. This is to run the server. So I do, oops. Sudo open ocd-f cmsys-config and -f user local share OpenOCD scripts target rp.config -c adapter speed 5000. Don't know what that's for. Okay. 3334. Target remote localhost 3334. Really? Consider setting up a so setting connection. Oh, but it says listening on 3. Oh, okay. Core 0, core 1. That is cool. You can. That is really cool. You get like a port for each one. Mode local host 333. Nice. So now I can do this. Monitor reset init. I don't know what that does. Oh, monitor is not supported. Oh, there's some warnings here. Description, target description specified, unknown architecture. Ignoring. Let me check the server. State halted. Okay, target extended remote. Okay, let's try that. Target extended remote. 3333. Set now. State halted. Dropped GDP connection. Ah. Yeah. Could be. Exit. GDB version 12.1. Did they say? GDB. GNU. Because did you install GDB multi-arc? I think so. Let me check. Yeah. Let me just double check. Okay. Yeah. Multi-arc is already the newest version. Is there anything else? Let me try. Oh, I mean, yeah, that's what I did. Yeah. Yeah, it's installed. Actually, yeah, GDB 12.1. Ah, Okay. Good point. So you mean instead of GDB, open it with, okay. GDB multi-arc Pico elf. Okay. Now I should be able to connect. What was the command again? Target extended remote. Target extend, was it one word? Target, no. Extended remote. Does that mean it worked? It does, right? Mosquito. What's the server showing? Let's go. I think it worked. I don't know. Yeah. Let me try this one. If I do continue. Okay. This is so cool. Can't believe. Oh, it's nice. Oh, yeah. How do I set a breakpoint? Oh, okay. I need to set it using GDB. What else can I see? Man, I have no clue using GDB. Yeah, well, I do have, what's it called? I use VS Code to debug normally, because I think the one in the terminal is not, it's not very useful. This is a different program. Yeah. But I think I'll try and figure that out later. I want to end on a high because I'm pretty excited that I got it to work. You were really helpful, Hal. I think it would have taken me twice as long otherwise. Oh, actually, it did stop somewhere. Do you do embedded programming, Hal? Or like your day to day? But it's just a side project. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. Science. What do you mean science? You do like research? Ooh, that is cool. Neurophysics sounds complicated. Hell, that is so cool. I think you're the first scientist I've ever met. Thanks to Twitch, I would have never, this would have never happened. That is really cool. I do, what's it called? What do I do? Yeah, I do web stuff for my day to day. Yeah. So I usually for yeah, exactly. Good old web dev. That's why I do this. Yeah, I do mostly full stack programming with Go and HTMX. If I need a UI, otherwise it's just Go. That is something I hate with a passion. I'm glad there are people like you who do this. Oh, I understand totally. Um, yeah, because it's, I mean, I'm glad I started there because it helped me get into programming. But now I'm trying to explore other aspects. Like, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm trying out all the other kind of programming that you can do. And I'm hoping I can find something else. Because the web stuff it's great. Like, the browser is like easy to program. Oh yeah, 100%. And I started with JavaScript, but I think in like a year, I got it doesn't feel like programming anymore when you use like JavaScript or its libraries. It just feels like, I don't know, what does it feel like? It feels like you, I don't know, you're setting up all these packages, but you don't know what's happening really. And I think if you really want to know how to program, it's like, no, it's it's not the best way. It's a good way to get in the door, but as soon as you can, I think you need to try something else. So yeah, I used to do JavaScript, but I don't do it anymore. Yeah, I think Python's really good too, and surprisingly easy. I think it was a few weeks ago. I was like, oh, I want to do something with Python. It took me like 30 minutes to build a scraper. It was really good. How come you hate uh, JavaScript so much? Have you had a poor experience, Al? Oh yeah. 100%. It's become that way. And to be fair, I mean, if you go anywhere on the internet, yeah, you go anywhere on the internet, like most programming talk is about, I mean, like people talking about programming is web dev. And I'm grateful, like it's helped me get into programming. But I'd say, yeah. But there are like a lot of other things out there, like embedded. It's a lot of fun, and you can actually understand the hardware a little bit because the constraints are so small. Like when I was, yeah, exactly. There's probably like 8 or 10 million web developers out there. Yeah. No, you're like right on. Yeah. It's true. I think, yeah, and embedded stuff, I have to say, so far, it's really good. And yeah, I started out by reading the datasheet, and I started on the small display. Yeah, it feels like a lot more fun. You actually feel like you're programming. Whereas when I do my day to day, I don't know, it's just meh. It's fine. It pays the bill, but I don't want to do it for a lot longer. 100%. Um, you mentioned that you wanted to set up the debug probe as well. What are you building? Okay. Oh my god. Did he say motor from a CD drive? Okay. Fuck. That is so cool. Jeez. Fuck. Jeez, that is so good. Oh, I gotta like save this. I want to do it too now. How is he changing the fuck? I don't know. I have so many questions. This is so cool. I will subscribe. Like Fuck. I mean, it still looks fucking cool. It is. Yeah. So cool. I want to build one now. You need to get the rotation speed perfect so that you know when to show each frame. Yeah, it's like I was thinking about that. That is cool. That is the coolest thing I've seen this year, I have to say. You need to check out Charlie Plexing. Oh, it's a whole thing. I think, yeah. I think designing the LED board with KiCad will be hard for me. Yeah, I think I don't even know where to start with that. Yeah, I think I do want to do it. Like, I genuinely want to do it. Because I'm like finished with this initial stuff that I was doing. And I was just thinking about this yesterday. What would I want to build next? Oh, he's got details here. Yeah, sure, I'll write you a DM. Can I don't know, DM you on Twitch? I don't know. Oh, I can just message you. I don't know. I think there's a way. Okay. Yeah, I will. I think I want to do it Okay, got it. Okay. No, I want to do it. This looks so good. I just gotta figure out this board situation. I know someone here. I think he lives really close. He could make all the plastic stuff. I mean, it looks so cool. Ah, he uses the IR sensor to calculate speed. Oh, where am I from? Excuse me. I'm from India, but I live in Thailand. I've been for, I don't know, for the last decade, I think. Yeah, I do get that a lot, because I think I I could understand English, but most of the speaking I got better at once I moved here. And I used to work as a dive instructor like a long time ago. Then I used to work with a English couple for a dive company. That's how I think I picked up a lot of their way of speaking, because I used to spend a lot of time with them. I think probably where I get the accent from. Oh, nice. Yeah. Thank you for all your help, Hal. It made my life a lot easier. Yeah, go have some fun. Happy Easter. I'll see you. I'll see you later. And I'll let you know when I build the, what's it called? The Charlie plexer. See ya.